Hola, guys. I'm in Colombia. I'm by the Caribbean side of Colombia. So I got here yesterday on a Christmas Eve on the 24th of December. Today is 25th. I had a long flight from Cordoba to Bogota, Bogota to Barranquilla in Colombia, and from Barranquilla to a bus to Santa Marta, where I am right now. Hola. So yeah, so right now I am cooking some lunch, but I'll tell you a bit about this place and also I'll show you around. So guys, यार मैं hostel में हूँ and this is what I'm gonna cook. I have this Chinese noodles, some Japanese clams, or some seaweed soup. So this is the hostel, common space, and that's the kitchen. It's boiling. Some seaweed soup. Chin chin. Guys, it's super hot here. I don't know what's the temperature, but it's near the beach, by the beach. So weather is super hot, and just a second. I'm having these noodles, the glass noodles kind of. I don't know glass noodles, right? They call it with clams and some pork. So guys, yeah, sham ho gayi. It's evening, and I didn't do much. I mean, I did a lot of things, but in the hostel, I didn't go out. Now, मैंने sunset देखा. There's a beach, and there's always an amazing sunset in the Caribbean Sea. But I've been to this place before, around 2 years ago, and I've done all the touristy things that you usually do. So this time, I'm just here to, use this as a launch pad for my next month. I don't know if I'm going to travel a lot, but I'm just going to be in a beautiful Caribbean small village for a month, maybe more, and then I'll decide where to move. Yeah, I'm a slow traveler, and I can't have like a quick or a short itinerary. So I'm just gonna be in this side of the Caribbean side of the Colombia this time. I have been to Medellin, I have been to Jardin in my last trip, but this time is gonna be just the beach. I just want to chill and relax around the beach. So now I am heading to eat. Uh, I'm gonna go to a very local place that sells arepa. Arepas is a dish very common to this part of the continent, be it Colombia or Venezuela, even in some part of Central America. So, guys, I went to the place uh, for arepas, but it was shut for Christmas. Aaj 25th of December hai. I'm going to show you around. This town is a very, Caribbean small town. Uh, there are tourists. There are also international tourists, but it is not a very popular destination. And because it is Christmas, आज streets पे भी कोई नहीं है, खाली से streets है. And the restaurant I went, it was open. I mean, open, and it is a house, so it was open. But they said they didn't, prepare any arepas today. So, guys, this is what we got because the arepa place was shut. यार एक ही जगह थी जो open थी. So we got a half chicken, and this is mondongo soup, which is a soup with chicken and some internal organs. There were two options. Yes. Uh, there were two options with chicken and internal organs, and this comes with yes, and this one comes with यार इसको कप्पा कहते हैं केरला में tapioca. Yes, tapioca is the right word, and potatoes and some rice with cocoa. These are the rice that are made with coconut milk. So yeah, okay. So guys, this is the party area of the town. I'm just gonna walk around and show you. I am not in the mood to party. In fact, I don't know when was the last time I went partying. I used to party a lot when I was much younger, but much younger as in like couple of years ago. But lately, I've stopped partying. It's super crowded because it's a Christmas Eve. Super Caribbean vibes. Hola, hola. तो भाइयों यार सुनाई दे रहा है एक सेकेंड यार मैं माइक को हाथ में ले लेता हूँ आई एम नॉट श्योर कि आजू बाजू देयर आर लॉट ऑफ व्हीकल्स मेकिंग नॉइस तो यार मैं सांता मार्ता में हूँ डे 2 थर्ड नाइट and my last night in Santa Marta. I didn't do much. Yeah, I was just chilling in hostel and then eating because last 2 days everything was shut because of Christmas. And yesterday I couldn't go to that arepa shop. I mean, I did go there, but it was shut. So आज मैं जा रहा हूँ वापस second attempt to see if it's open. Um, let's see. And then I'm gonna go to the beach to see the sunset. But I'm not gonna go in the water because it's too crowded and too touristy. But इसके बाद I'm going to a really nice place called Palomino, and I'm gonna chill and spend some months in Palomino. Maybe 1 month or probably more. I'm not sure. ये मेरा फिलहाल का plan है, but I'll see what kind of alquilar rent what kind of rental place I get, because the rents there are pretty cheap. But I'm gonna see, if it's a comfortable place. I need to do some house hunting. Yeah, let's get chorizo. Carne. So, guys, this is the arepas that I was talking about. This is very local. इसके ऊपर this is maize, यानी maize makka, and there's cheese and it's stuffed with meat. Either it's beef or pork or chicken. And I'm gonna go inside. So, guys, this is one with the chorizo. Yeah, cheese and maize, and there is chorizo, which is a sausage, and this is with chicken. I'll open it. Yes, yummy. So, guys, luckily I got here when this shop opened, and now there are so many people waiting for their arepas. एक second, यहाँ से देखना. And this keeps on growing. रात को तो और भी ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं. So, guys, ये है Santa Marta beachfront, Caribbean Sea. Uh, this is pretty close to Venezuela, uh, but I'm gonna go further closer to Venezuela. Very chill in a small place, but because it is Christmas vacation, I guess there are a lot of people. And that is a boat. 2 years ago, I met some. I saw some Indian sailors over there in that port, near that port. So, guys, यार कल सुपरमार्केट्स बंद थे और the only shops that were open were small kiosks, and they were scamming us. Like, uh, I mean, they were charging more than double for everything. A beer was like double or triple the price. तो आज यार मैं सुपरमार्केट में आया हूँ because I wanted to check the prices. You know, because I'm new to the country, I don't know what to expect. I mean, I was here a few years ago, but that was a while ago. So yeah, that is what I recommend for everybody who wants to travel long term. You know, एक बार supermarket में you should you should just check the prices of say water, beer, or everything that you plan to buy, because there is no MRP. That is what I like about India. You know, we अपने पास MRP होता है, so we know this is the price. But outside, you don't have this concept of MRP, and people sell at whatever price they want. So yeah, I got some chicken, roasted chicken, and I'm gonna buy a bottle of water. I just came here to check the prices, but yeah, good to know. Now I'm happy and relaxed. Yeah, I spent a lot yesterday. So bhaiyo, back in my room. Yeah, check this out. Super messy. यार मैं पैक कर रहा हूँ, रीपैक कर रहा हूँ सब कुछ. All my bags are open. क्योंकि कल मेरा चेकआउट है and I'm going to Palomino, which is very beautiful. And I'm super excited. So yeah, it was a nice day. Final verdict, yeah, it was too crowded because of Christmas, and yeah, Santa Marta is a decent place to visit once, but not twice. And I was here for the second time, so I knew the place. But I'm just using this place as a launch pad for my next travel, and we have some calls to attend. और यहाँ पे internet अच्छा था. I don't know how's the internet in Palomino, so that is why I decided to stay here for a couple of days. And yeah, तो अभी I'm gonna drink aguardiente. ये तो फ्रंट कैमरा में शायद उल्टा दिख रहा होगा, नहीं, बट अगुआर, AGUAR, DIENTE. दिस इज व्हाट आई मेंशनड इन माय अर्लियर वीडियो, नहीं. तो ये अनीस फ्लेवर का ड्रिंक होता है, वेरी कोलंबियन, दे ड्रिंक इट अ लॉट. एंड या दैट्स इट. सो यार मैं ये ब्लॉग को यहीं पे खत्म करूंगा, एंड आई एम गोना हैव माय अगुआर दिएंते. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में. चाओ, बाय.